Apple's long-awaited foldable phone appears closer than ever, with early reports targeting the iPhone, a Fold release date for late 2026. This timeline places the device alongside the iPhone 18 series, combining an outer 6.5-inch panel with an expansive 7.8 to 8.3-inch inner display. iPhone Fold design leaks also point to a crease reduction hinge sourced from Samsung Display, potentially giving Apple an edge over existing competitors in durability and image clarity. With an A18 Pro chip and under-display camera technology expected, the iPhone Fold release date is shaping up to be one of Apple's most carefully timed launches in years, and production milestones reflect this caution. Apple is reportedly preparing to scale manufacturing in Q4 2026, aiming for an initial 3 to 5 million units before expanding to 20 million in 2027 for the second-generation model. The dual display design includes a 6.5-inch outer screen for quick tasks and a large 120Hz LTPO inner display that folds fully flat via a near-zero angle hinge. Apple originally targeted a 2025 release window, but reliability requirements pushed the date back as engineers tested hinge fatigue cycles, drop impact tolerance, increase visibility thresholds. The company's strict quality standards reportedly exceed those used for Android foldables, which explains the multi-year delay. With production only stabilizing in late 2026, consumers can expect the iPhone Fold to debut alongside the iPhone 18 lineup before the holiday season. The iPhone Fold design leaks suggest Apple is merging iPad-level productivity features with iPhone-style portability. Early chassis models show a titanium frame similar to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, combined with IPX8 water resistance, rare among foldable devices. The inner display reportedly features Samsung's latest crease minimizing hinge and Apple's custom anti-reflective coatings for improved clarity.